Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And guess what, y'all? I have a wig review to show you all. This is a wig by Outre, and it is Wigpop synthetic full wig Delta, and I got her in a #1. Now I had this wig for a while. I remember Candypoo did a review on this wig, and so the minute she did a review, I ordered it. So if you watch her video, you will see how long I had the wig. Okay, so it is a 1B. Her name is Delta. This is what she looks like. And I did a wig review on this wig from the bargain bin in my previous video, if you want to go back and watch that. And I call this wig Miss Sassy. Yes, Miss Sassy. And I want to show y'all another style that I didn't show y'all. Okay, I might have showed y'all in the beginning, but this is another style that you can wear this wig in. Okay, bring her all to the front and just bring out the blackness of the hair here on the side. Okay, and just bring it all to the front. And I wore her like this today. Yes, I wore her like this today, y'all. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all that one style because I showed y'all many other styles in the last video. So, okay, let's get this video rolling. All right, let's take Miss Delta out of the package. I ordered her from Wigtypes. That's what she looks like. She's crimped, very shiny, soft, not much hair. This wig has 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back. And she does have a tag here at the comb that says Wigpop. Okay. She's a full cap wig. She does have adjustable straps. And I'm going to adjust her. All right. And she's nicely cut, y'all. Nicely cut. All right, let me go ahead and place her on my head. Ear tabs are here. Got my comb here. Candypoo did a wig review on this wig, y'all. Y'all can go and check her out. Alright, don't need to do much to her. She's cute, y'all. I'm liking her. Side view. Look at the crimps, y'all. Look at that. All right, back. Very cute, y'all. And also, y'all, I am wearing my necklace, my earrings, and my ring by Cara Tiva. by Carativa. And I did a video on that for them. Okay, if you want to go check out that video, check it out. I may list it in one of these areas here. So I'll list it for y'all so y'all can go back and watch and order jewelry from them. Y'all, that is it. I don't have much to say about this wig. It's just that I am loving her. Thanks, Candypoo, for your review on this wig. And I ordered her the minute I saw your video. Yes, I did. And you know how long that's been. Alright, y'all. Come back. Thank you all so much for watching. Come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you will not miss out on any of my videos when I get ready to upload them. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.